What's up everyone? Welcome to our channel. Jay Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is another day of unboxing days. And this one is one been sitting for a while, and I can't remember when did I pick this one. Let's move on. So what do I have on this box that's been sitting for a while? Let's go. Alright, let's grab my cover. So, alrighty. So what I remember, this one is the one of the Jordan 4 retro, and you think it's worth buying? I don't have a 4s in my collection yet, as you can see back here. There you go. The sale price is not showing up, but let's see. Pop that open. You can see, there you go, the nice Jordan box. All right, get out. Well, just the basic Air Jordan box, and as you can see, there you go, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, and the colorway is the white, military blue, fire, and red, and size 10.5 for the collection. You think is it worth buying this on retail for 200 bucks? Ooh, let's see if it's worth buying the 200 retail of Jordan 4 Retro. Ooh. We got the Air Jordan Retro 4. What the? Wow. Not bad. And this one has a different, as you can see, the different details on the back. The Nike Air with the white cement and just the blue one, and also the tab right there. You can see the tab is blue, the one that tang is red. The Jumpman and the Flight on the tongue, a different design, and also the different one here. Also the back of the tongue, you can see right there, also different on the other side. The eyelets blue, and that one is red. Also some extra lacing. Well, I don't know. Let's see. The leather is some kind of little bit, I would say, some kind of tumbled leather, but not that soft. After the other one, with the one that I have, a Jordan one the other day, that one is very soft. This one is not that very soft, and it's easily crinkled. Well, I don't know how about with the Jordan 4s, because I haven't tried one of these before, but it feels like a really cool, nice detail going on with this one, with this black cement. Well, let's see. Okay, the left side on this part is going on, as you can see, some detail on the lateral side, and the medial side with the cement going on of the detail. The other side on this one, they don't have it. As you can see, the black only and the details on this one. This one don't have it, and the other one is this side. Here we go, and the other side. This one, they don't have it. I don't know. Here and here. There you go. So if you're looking on this side, see the difference? Also on this side, also there are difference. Just like wearing a different shoes I don't know. What do you think about that one? Can you feel it wearing them? I don't know. It's a 200 bucks Jordan 4 shoes. I don't have it in my collection yet, but you know me. I don't know. Really, 200 for this one. To be honestly, well, if if it's cheaper than 200, maybe less than somewhere less than 100, probably I'll be happier to have them in the collection. But honestly, I would say if it worth it for me,
I don't think so.
probably for the hype, probably, but for the collection, no. Probably I'm happy if I bought them less than that. But 200 for this one. Well, I mean, they put a lot of effort in making Jordan 4 retro with different design. This one is unique also because they are on that side, and this right foot and your right foot and left foot are different. So as you can see, this side different and that side is different, and the back and the front. So the design is really not bad, but I would be more happier if it less than that. But honestly, I don't think, for me, it's not that worth it for $200 for this shoe. And probably just gonna return it on the store, mainly because I would say I'm not happy. Price too high, 200, and I don't know. I don't have it in my collection yet, but the price too steep for me. So probably this one going back, return, because mainly I know I could buy or get me a cheaper for a Jordan 4, not Jordan 4, and not for this 200 one. So probably if I could find them in the outlet for the lesser price, like less than 100, or maybe somewhere 100 to 120, I'll be happy to pick them up, or less than that. I would say less than 100. That's it. I'll be happier to get them for less than 100. You know me, I'm the guy on the outlet who always want a cheaper one. So even though I know I like Jordans, but 200, no, I'll pass. So this one, I would say not worth it. Maybe wait for them when they go on the outlet and sitting there. So I would say this one not gonna sell out, and probably I'll see them in the outlet maybe 6 months or so. So after that, maybe I'll pick them up less than 100. Just like what I got, the Jordan 3s right there, less than 100. So what else? What else did I got? Less than 100. Most of the one that you can see is here. By both them below retail. So this one, I would happy if I got them for below retail, but for the price, too much, 200. So for me, not worth it. So I'm returning. Honestly, returning back and get my 200 and buy me something else for the collection. Well, so what do you think? Do you think is it worth it for you to buy this one for 200? Please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. So that would be all on this video for the unboxing of the Jordan 4 what the. So I don't know, they call it the what the. That's why the what the difference of the coloring and the design. So I hope to hear it from you. Please leave a comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. Jay Nolasco here. See you in the next video. Peace. Well, by the way, if you saw the other videos from a previous video from the outlet that I pick up, with that one, with the this is, I'll be more happier because this is the force and that one. I knew they're gonna drop the price on the hash wall, and I am correct. This on 109.97 now. Pick them up. Well, this one, the color, I believe this one is much better than the other one, the one that we unboxed. And if you saw the previous video, this is the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Doesn't say the colorway, and it says retail is 190, and check the price that I bought it, 109.97 with the additional 30%. And I said that the previous video that this would be on my collection. I can't remember that they already got me this one, so sorry about the confusion, but this one I'll be more happier to have it on the collection and willing to pay for and willing to pay for less than the retail. And how much did I paid for them? 109.97 with additional 30% off. Do the math. So this would be the first one, Jordan 4 in the collection. There we go. And maybe next time I'm gonna do a on foot review for the first time on the Air Jordan 4 Retro on my collection. Please leave a comment down below. And alright, I'll see you in the next video.